Oh, Kiana, get over it. You're simping out, Kiana. You're simping out. Stop simping.
You're gonna make me take it?
Give it to somebody else.
Oh, Kiana. Let's glue your heart back together. What's up, DJP? Free you. Free you hell.
Like I said, I just bought it. 20 minutes.
So nice today, you guys. What's up, DJP? What's your next snack? You ready? You ready, huh? There you go.
You ever caught anything in here?
Got it, buddy. Yeah, yum yum. Like getting rid of your boo-boos. Oh no, I'd rather you just go back to the lobby if that's the case. I'm keeping my boo-boos. What's up, Miss Good? Yeah. Yep. Nice try though. This little boo boo, I got it today and it's done more for me than you. I didn't mean it like that. I choose the boo boo over you. What's up, Lexus? Is his girlfriend still following your page though? Whatever, Kiana, you are. You definitely are. That's right, Kiv. Outside.
They went right over here, like right in front of me. Yeah, with that weight on there, you're gonna have to really just aim like at that little fluffy cloud out there.
And no, they broke up again. Oh, it's sad that you even know that, Kiana. The fact that you even know about that is like sad that you're like following that situation so much.
That's the dumb crap people do right before they get hurt.
Yeah, for real. So many deaths that way. So many.
Yeah. Went to a funeral for that earlier this year.
Oh dang. Sorry to hear that. Rest in peace to your peeps. I don't even talk to them. She'll just randomly call me and update. Dude, my friend keeps telling me everything. Oh, I see. Wait, so your friend is friends with her too, Kiana? Oh, you walking. You want your next snack? Last snack. Here you go. Oh, here you go. You got it, buddy. There you go. Good job. Oh, she's just bored and likes to stalk her friend's ex. That's crazy. She has no, like, I would watch out for her. Watch out for her, Kiana. She's about drama. That's really bad. And she does it to her other friend too. Oh, yeah, watch out for her. Not to be trusted. What's up, Angel? How you doing? Hey, Kiv. Thank you for the likes. We're at 191. Is it good? Is it good, Uggs? Is it tasty? Is it good? It's so good. What flavor is that? Fruit? Fruitiness? It's so yummy. You like that one the most. Bananas, pears, sweet potato. Okay. Yummy. What's up, Angel? We outside today. Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie. I almost brought the boo boo out here with me, but I didn't want her to get dirty. And just said, finally. So your daughter, that's my nephew. We're just chilling. You don't need that for a walk. Okay. Dude, I'll tell you more about it later. I matches are filtering. Okay, Kiana. Yeah, tell me. Tell me on Discord. But that friendly girl is shady. I wouldn't trust them. They're trying to put you in more suffering. Imagine if they never told you any of it, you would have been over it by now. They're actually keeping you in your drama. Leland said, you doing after you still? I play Fortnite every day. What's up, Walkstar? Good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while. How you been? Yeah, I'll be on Fortnite. I gotta play Red Dead Redemption tonight too. The shop is kind of buns today. That's good though. I don't need to spend any money. Nothing new. Good, but I'm glad you remembered me. Oh yeah, definitely. I remember you. You've been here for a long, long time. Like you've been here for years. Yeah, I remember you. I literally would have. You would have what, Kiana? Oh, you've been over it, yeah. I'm telling you, your friend is bad news. She's bad news for sure. I hope it's not Ariana or whatever her name is. I told her I'll unblock her of Discord. I have to find her name. I forgot her name on Discord completely. No, it's not good. It's good. That food was so good. Now I just need a little dessert. Like a small amount of dessert, not too much. Should I have some more of the Selena Gomez cookies, you think? I don't even know her Discord name. Oh, okay, she doesn't even use Discord. Well, she asked me to unblock her. She messaged me and said unblock her on Discord. She downloaded it that one time. She literally messaged me on TikTok and said to unblock her. Why are you biting that? You don't gotta bite that. There we go. I know. I had her download Discord that day and to troll you, and you ended up banning her. Yeah. But I mean, she just messaged me like this week. Like when I posted the video of the dancing video, she had asked me to unban her. You know, James loved my dancing videos. He said I should do more dancing videos. And yet y'all told me that I shouldn't. Nobody sent me a good dancing video to do though. But James messaged me and said that's gonna do well if I keep doing that. Cutie, cutie, what's up? Why you grab my hand? What's up? You want me to help you? Are you over it? Okay. Oh. Yes. He grabbed my hands so I could tickle him. Yes, yeah. Don't you bite me. Don't you bite me though. Okay. You sure you don't want no more? Okay, that's pretty much it. That's everything. Good job. Great job. That's good. Get this whole thing. Yeah, I know she told me. Oh, okay. It feels so good out here. I don't want to leave. But I need to go home and eat dessert. You ready, Oggs? You want to go bye-bye? We haven't been out here that long though. What's up, Kiv? Kiv, thank you for liking. We're at 1.3 thousand likes. Hold on, guys. Hold on, dogs. I can't too. You ready? Ooh. I really feel like a bee or something was next to me. You don't need dessert? Yes, I do. How you tell me I don't need dessert? How dare you tell me that? I legit felt like a vibration. I think it was... Oh, hold on, y'all. Let me get the next video. It's my walk. Alright, I'm gonna get off, y'all. 1.4 thousand likes is amazing, though. Thank you so much.
You can hear me? I know.
Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get back home, okay? Okay. Bye. What's up, Leland? Alright, bye.